Extreme weather events have become the new normal, creating unprecedented challenges for Jamaican farmers. They are tasked with providing food for the country, increasing crop yields, while combating heat waves, prolonged drought, and floods brought on by climate change. To reduce the impacts of climate change, farmers need to adopt and adapt sustainable farming practices. They are getting help from the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA. One strategy being used by RADA is crop diversification. RADA has been using demonstration plots to promote alternative crops as a means of solving the problems being faced by farmers due to climate change. Demonstration plots are being used to show farmers best practices, environmentally friendly technology, pest and disease prevention, and traceability principles.
So we document a number of things. We document the, say for instance, the number of plants per acre, how it does under what we call high density cultivation, because if you notice there's a lot of plants in the one area versus a low density, which would be have a less plants per acre or per square acre area. And also we actually have them on the drip here. So we record all of these so that when the farmer comes and when we're having this session with the farmer, then all of these can be looked at. So the variables can be looked at and the positives can be taken away. The aim of it is at the end of the day, the farmer leaves with reinforced knowledge that, look, this is workable, this is something I can try, and he or she would have already learned some of the lows and highs so that it helps him or her in his or her production.
Sustainable, high-yield sweet corn production is one crop earmarked to enhance long-term agricultural productivity, improve farmers' income, and by extension Jamaica's food security. Corn can be found in food sweeteners, oil, livestock feed, and biofuel. Sweet corn is a healthy vegetable that's heart healthy. It's rich in fiber and low in cholesterol, supports eye health, and is a great source of iron. It has huge market potential and will prove economically viable for farmers as local producers are unable to meet local demand. Sweet corn is wind pollinated. The tassel produces the pollen which fertilizes the silk. The pollen is transferred from the tassel to the silk by the wind. The silk is also an indicator the corn is 18 to 21 days away from maturity.
Ideally, you want to have about 2 mature ear of corn per stalk. Under different conditions, you will find that, say, 70 to 80% of your corn would actually produce that. But there's a possibility that we don't get 2 full ear based on various conditions that might exist.
The prospect for sweet corn farming in Jamaica is not only extremely bright and lucrative, it provides hope for Jamaica's food security. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.